here. Oh! G'day everyone, and thanks for joining me on another adventure with Bernie. This is a brief video about me letting out my inner child and my love of making music. Some refer to it as noise, at the musical fence in Winton in Queensland. Enjoy. Oh. Drumsticks are different lengths. That's not ideal. Bass drum. Yeah. Jeez, they got it all. Problem with me when I'm drumming is not that I've had many opportunities to drum on a drum kit. This is a drum kit, but I can't coordinate my hands and my feet at the same time. That's why I'm not a guitarist. Not that you use your feet playing guitar, but I can't get the two hands going together. Not sure. Sometimes I've got no idea with two hands on a drum kit. No idea. Rightio. That's the drum kit. Let's see what we can create here. Seems a bit. Now this is impressive. I just gave it a try and the ring, it just keeps ringing. I love it. How cool. Got a pretty good idea what this is going to give us. That one's all right. I don't mind that. That's about it out of that lot. You can read that while I'm experimenting. So it's going through this box up here. Oh. That concludes another adventure with Bernie. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care of yourselves, look after the world, and remember, it's nice to be important, but it's important to be nice.